Let's see how we create Dreamy glowing effect in Premiere Pro. Duplicate this video by holding the Alt key on a keyboard, then left. And then hide the visibility of the track number 1. Then open Effects window and search for Luma key. Then add it to the duplicated video on. Then search for Gaussian blur. And also add it to the duplicated video. Adjusting the threshold of the Luma key. Decrease the threshold to about 20. Increase the blurriness in the Gaussian. Blur to 200, that will blur everything. And then we need to set the blend screen. Then bring back the visibility of the track number 1. Simply control the opacity of this layer. I'm going to drop it to 70. We have a perfect Dreamy effect.